So, we took my fucking seat out, and I have no fucking clue where this snake went. Absolutely not a fucking clue. He's somewhere in here. So, we're just gonna fucking keep it out, because honestly, he's probably in my, field. Because he's probably up here.
Probably not in there.
No, because I see where he can be. I see exactly where he can be. He fucking went up in there. I know exactly where that bitch is. He's fucking up in one of those spots. That's probably where he was trying to get in the whole time, because his tail was up here. But yep.